Hi, my name's Thomas Mcauley. I'm second officer here on board the Pride of Hull, and I work for P&O Ferries. My responsibilities here on the Pride of Hull are a navigation officer, and in that role I drive the ship from point A to point B, and also I'm responsible for the loading of the cargo down on the vehicle decks. Maths is a really important part of my job here on the bridge, particularly in terms of navigation. We use it on a daily basis. As a result of that, you have to have a minimum grade of C at least at GCSE level in order to gain entry into the apprenticeship. Some companies, however, require A-level maths, and there are even instances of people entering into the apprenticeship with degree level maths. Whenever a ship goes from one port to another, it's very important that we have what's called a passage plan. And a passage plan is like when you get in your car and you plan a route to go from one point to another point, except it's on a ship. To do this, we use what we call charts, which is like maps of the sea, and we draw our course lines on the charts to get safely to the next port. Once the captain's approved that passage plan, we can then execute it and set off out to sea. Okay, so another technique that we can use in order to monitor the ship's position is to use the sextant, which is this, a precision instrument, and we can use it to measure the height of a light or a fixed object on the shore side. And by using trigonometry, we can also calculate the distance off that object that we are. Here is a picture of a lighthouse, and on the right hand side here we've got the water or the sea. I'm going to mark my position here with an X, and this is where I am. So the object of this exercise is to calculate the distance from my position to the light, i.e. the distance off that light. To do that, I would first of all measure the angle between my position and the light at the top of the lighthouse. We know that the height of the light is a fixed amount from our nautical charts, and thus we have a right-angled triangle, and we can use trigonometry in order to solve what the distance here to here is.